Hey everyone, today I'm going to share with you the best practice words for beginners. Now when I teach workshops, I emphasize this all the time. First of all, use your guideline paper. So I have my KellyCreates grid pad. This is a square grid pad, but you can use any smooth paper that has guidelines. Remember, I also have practice sheets that for free that you can print off from my website, and I'll put the link up here. And these are blank. If you don't have special smooth laser jet paper to print it on, then use tracing paper on top when you practice. Okay, let's get started. I'm going to grab my grid paper. I'm taking it out of the pad because I want a smooth piece of paper. I don't want my hand bumping off the pad. And I will show you how to use a fine tip brush pen and also a large tip brush pen for this demo. So I have the Dream Pen, I have another large tip version of the Dream Pen in the deluxe lettering kit. So what do I mean by best practice words? I'm going to also grab my pencil and ruler. When you are practicing, you really want to improve, I want you to just focus on the first 4 basic strokes. And what are they? I'll show you in a second. I'm drawing guidelines here because I always need really strong guidelines for all my strokes when I practice, so the squares aren't good enough. I want 1, 2, 3, 4 squares high for my large brush tip pens. And so I want you to focus on let me just zoom in here, the underturn and the overturn, and the compound curve, and the reverse compound curve. So these are the 4 strokes that you are going to practice with to make all of your alphabet letters. Now I'm going to angle my paper just so you realize that this is how I write. If you're left-handed, you can angle your paper the other way. All right, so which letters can you use with these? And it's like playing a game of Scrabble, actually. So I'm going to, actually, I'll just draw these strokes again with my small brush tip pen. So I'm going to work 2 squares high instead of 4 squares high. So same idea, light up, turn, push down. There's my underturn, my overturn, my compound curve, and my reverse compound curve. There, okay. Now I'm going to draw another set of lines, and I will show you the letters you can use and to make up some words with all of these first 4 basic strokes. Remember, when you're studying brush lettering, you have about 8 basic strokes that make up all of the letters of the alphabet. Okay, so let us look at some of these letters. Let's look at the the first letter you can use is the letter I. That would be your underturn. Actually, I'm going to draw this lower, and the letter T. Oops, I forgot my entrance stroke. And the letter U. The letter V. These are all from these basic strokes. This is the underturn and the compound curves. The W you can use. The letter, okay, I'm not going to stop and draw my lines again, but the letter N and M. And I think that's it. So you're going to take all of these letters and you're going to make some words out of them. So what are some words you're going to practice? really good practice word, which is kind of tricky. I'll show you with the small brush tip pen, and that is the word minimum. Now I have worksheets for all of these, lots of these practice words. They're on my website, KellyCreates.ca. And you can practice using the tracing worksheets or just with these words on your own. Gotta remember where to dot those I's. There you have it. So really focus on these first 4 strokes and you'll be way ahead of the game when it comes to your technique. Thanks for watching.